Yo, what's good with the nation? Your boys back in Jersey, and man, yo, so I was like, yo, I'm gonna need some extra money, sooner or later. So I was like, yo, let me try doing Uber Eats, cause I drive a coupe. I ain't gonna have no space to do Uber. I was like, let me try that, see what's up with that. So I'm getting some gas, right? Cause my shit was on like a quarter, not even a quarter, like a little under half. I was like, let me go get some gas, and I was like, let me just go online just to see what happens, bro. I went online and it was like, oh, we'll pick up a meal. So I run down the street to Popeyes. I deliver her food. I pick up the food. I almost fucked up, cause like I read what the thing said, but there was more to it. So so now I know to read the receipt. But then I got her soda and everything, brought it over like quick as hell, and I already made like it ain't much, but it's $3. So but now I'm about to go to my mom's house because I just wanted to see what it was, and me and Jazz about to, since I haven't seen her, I'm about to actually just do this for a couple hours with her, and see what it really is, see if your Cuddy can get a little extra money. But yeah, this is dope. I don't know why I'm so happy right now. Rollback game. He just got it. You gotta do that a couple times. Look at her. She's about to drive. Hopefully.
First of all, bitch, you need to give me instructions. Talk about I'm about to drive. Okay, so clutch.
So that's clutch.
Brake, gas.
Get a feel for it. A little bit more.
Am I supposed to hit the gas one?
No. Just let out the clutch a little bit more. Come on. A little more. Come on. Out. Let go. You off the clutch now. Give it some gas.
Okay.
Make sure nobody around you.
I'm turning. I don't want to go back there.
Now my car does this weird thing in first gear where it like bucks. But I think that's everybody's car. I could be wrong. That's about to ride right in that pothole. What's next? Clutch in. No gas. Let go of the gas. Clutch in second gear. Quick. Oh, yeah!
Oh, bitch, I'm going too fast. The police.
Just go over here.
Police.
Just go over here. Oh my God, you're a second gear.
Oh my God.
I tease this. Alright, don't crash it now.
I'm about to park right here, bitch. I'm done.
Alright, brake, clutch.
Is it in park? Hello?
Technically, yes.
The stress. A clutch. The car rolling back. The brake. Oh, bitch.
Everybody has done that. To be getting that shit rolling, you just good. You like, yup, I'm out here. Then you go to stop. And then the car. Oh, shit. Alright, so you gonna do it again?
I just struggled.
But you did it. You got into look, once you get into second gear, you good. Like, you could have been on the highway and everything, because literally that's all it is for the rest of the gears.
What is he doing?
He's test driving the car.
Oh, bitch, why am I rolling backwards?
Let's see how she handled the roll.
Oh my fuckery.
Let go of the clutch. Let go of the clutch.
Okay. Bitch, I would have hit the person behind me a long time ago.
Nah, I would have ripped the e-brake before that. I'm watching.
I forgot my steps. Okay. Clutch in, brake in, start the car. First. Alright.
Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Let go of the clutch. Hold on, you gotta let go of the clutch too. Let go of the clutch.
I am. Oh, bitch.
Hit the brake. Clutch in. Hit the brake. Clutch in. Hit the brake.
This is stressful. This moron keep test driving. It's a different person.
All right, let go of the clutch. Let go of the clutch slow.
I gotta let go of the brake, right?
Yes.
The brake.
Let go of the clutch slow. No gas. As soon as you feel it start to like about to die, give gas. Give it some gas. Not that much gas. Not that much gas.
I'm like, okay.
Let go of the clutch. Let go of the clutch. Give some gas. Give some gas.
Come on.
Yeah!
I gotta get used to like braking.
You gotta get used to a lot of things. It's not gonna happen overnight. But you driving right now.
Don't size me.
Look, once you get first down, then you're ready for reverse. All right, brake, clutch. Brake, hit the brake.
So
Put it in neutral.
Clutch and brake all the time,
Yeah.
and then I could release the clutch.
Once you put it in neutral, the car cannot be in gear if you're coming to a complete stop. You'll get a feel for it, but right now, every time you use the brake, clutch in.
So it's neutral park.
Well, once you put the e-brake up, then that's park,
So the e-brake and all stick shift is park.
pretty much. The e-brake is to make sure that you're not rolling. Backing up. She's riding the shit out of that clutch. Let me give it some gas. Second. My little beat bop. I'm not even recording, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm not even recording. Start that shit. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all heard that? My baby out here making noise in the whip.
I accepted a delivery, bitch.
You did?
Yes.
Oh, we gotta go.
I was zoomed in. Now racing to Uber Eats. Hey, second Uber Eats of the day. Okay. Oh, cut it.
Like I said, ooh.
We're going here. I don't know.
Hey, don't be showing them the address.
That's the place of the food. No.
Oh.
We're going to Playables in Montclair, whatever that is. Alright, fam. Yeah. driver. Oh, yep. Delivery number 4 of the day.
Get out of here. Goes right there.
Right turn on Gates Avenue.
Woo! What's good with the nation? Thank you for watching this video. Your boy is like super backed up with vlogs. Like that was literally from when I first came back from San Antonio. So if you watch that video, that's pretty much when I started recording the video that you just watched. Then I put out another video the other day and I'm behind like 2 other videos. Like right now I'm like mad shit all over the place. Like, you know, I'm trying to get stuff together so I can make this move. Yeah, so you know, follow the vlogs. Like I this is what I had to do right here. So this is why I haven't been you know, really working and putting out vlogs for you guys, because I really had to finish that website. And I'm the kind of person, like when I start something I can't stop until it's done. Like that's why like I love coding. Like, you know, when there's a problem in it, it's just like I gotta finish it. So now that I'm pretty much finished with the client's website, I'm gonna get that up to her, you know, get paid. You know, I've been doing Uber Eats. Like I'm just trying to just get everything together for this move, cause like this is about to be crazy. You know, just watch the vlogs, man. You know, I'll be putting up live streams like if I can't really get to the vlogs. You know, my grandmother's like she was just constantly at me like, yo, when you putting up another video, when you putting up another video. So Grams, I'm sorry, here's a video. Like I said, if you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, hit the notification bell so you can know when your boy is posting stuff. I try to keep the videos pretty short, you know, but right now I'm kind of in an iffy phase in my life. So, you know, if you want to be a part of that, subscribe. Your boy is out. And like I said, 2 other videos to edit before you even get to this point in my life. So I'm out. Peace. Have a great night.